Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Better Call Paul. My name is Vivek Kaur and we are in the YouTube playlist named 1000 Python Projects Marathon for Gen AI ML Engineers Data Scientists. So in this video we are going to see how we can run a ChatGPT-like LLM model inside our local system. So this is amazing, right? So today we are diving into something that's revolutionizing how enterprises and privacy conscious individuals, clients uses AI. We are talking about running large language models, the same technology behind ChatGPT completely offline on your own hardware, on your own laptop. The tool that makes this possible is called as Ollama, and it's completely free and open source. Now you might be wondering why would anyone want to run AI locally, and if ChatGPT exists already. So great question. Let me give you some real scenarios. First, let's talk about healthcare or finance companies, banks, or any government organization. They have their data set, very big data set, but they are very confidential. They don't want to share the data set online on cloud servers, or they don't want to give their data to any third party resources. You can say healthcare, hospitals, clinics deal with extremely sensitive patient data, medical records, diagnosis, treatment plans. Under regulations like HIPAA regulations in USA, they simply cannot send this data to the cloud services like OpenAI or any cloud services like AWS, Azure. But with Ollama, they can analyze the patient's record, generate summaries, and assist doctors all without data ever leaving the hospital network. Second, financial institutions, banks, investment firms, and insurance companies handle confidential financial data. GDPR in Europe, UK countries, and similar regulations worldwide require strict data sovereignty. Any kind of data privacy thing happen by any company, then $1 million will be happen. They have to pay fine in millions of dollars. The company crashes. A local LLM setup means they can use AI for risk analysis, fraud detection, and consumer customer service without compliance nightmares. Third is legal firms. Lawyers work with privileged clients, communications using cloud AI on case documents could potentially waive attorney-client privilege. Local AI eliminates this risk entirely. Fourth is government agencies, Defense Department, NASA, ISRO, intelligence agencies, government offices deals with classified information. Cloud AI is often completely prohibited. Local deployment is the only option. Fifth is manufacturing and R&D. Companies developing proprietary technologies, pharmaceuticals, aerospace, automotive cannot risk their trade secrets being processed by external servers, being processed by any third-party applications. Local LLMs keep their innovations secure. Why we use Ollama only then to deal with this local LLM? So why Ollama specifically? Here is what makes it special. One is incredibly simple. Running a model is literally one line command. No complex setup is required. No Docker configuration is required. It is simple. It is basic. No cloud accounts is required. Two, it is completely offline. No internet connection is required. Once you download a model, then you never need a internet again. Aeroplane mode. You can turn on your aeroplane mode and you can run your application. No problem. Secure air gapped network. Perfect. Third is no API costing is there. OpenAI charges per token. GPT-4 can cost $60 per million tokens. With Ollama, you pay once for the hardware, means you have the setup, maybe your laptop or maybe your big hard PC setup, and then run unlimited queries forever. Unlimited means unlimited, infinite queries you can run with zero cost, free of cost. Fourth is full control. You choose the model, any kind of model, the parameters, the context window. You can even fine tune your existing model for your specific use case. Fifth is it is open source. You can inspect the code, verify there no telemetry, and trust your data stay private. So this is the core logic behind this local LLM. Now comes to earning potential. Here come where it gets exciting for developer and consultants. Setting up local LLM infrastructure is high value skill that very few people have right now. Enterprise consulting gigs for local AI development typically range from $5,000 to $50,000 depending on the complexity. Healthcare legal clients often pay premium rates for HIPAA and GDPR compliant setups. You could offer initial setup and configuration $2,000 to $5,000. Custom models fine tuning means you have a local downloaded LLM model and you're fine tuning it, then it will cost around $5,000 to $50,000. This is the business potential you have. Ongoing maintenance contracts are $500 to $2,000 per month. Training workshops of IT team, it needs $3,000 to $10,000 per session. The market for privacy first AI solutions is exploding. Companies are very desperate for experts who can help them leverage AI without compromising data security. Although, in a background, let's actually build this. Let's actually create a local LLM model into your system and let's check whether it is able to give us output without using internet or not. I will walk you through every step: installation, running your first model, Python integration, and setting up beautiful web interface. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional local AI assistant on your system. So let's get started. So here you have to go to Ollama first. Ollama, download, and download this Ollama. You just download it. I have already downloaded it. It may take a lot of time, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, because I think it is a 1.2 GB of storage. Once you download it, go to this models. And here you can search any kind of LLM model. These LLM models you can download Olmo 3 Gemini. This is a Gemini Flash model. Means uh, these bigger models are present. You can use it free paid, but their small models are also present here. So we can, yes, you can see DeepSeek R1, 1.5 billion parameter model is there, 7 billion is there, 8 billion, 14 billion, 32 billion, 70 billion, 671 billion parameters model is also there. If you click 7 billion and just copy this command and run it, you can see DeepSeek R1 latest it is 5.2 GB, 5 billion 1.1 GB, 7 billion 4.7 GB, 8 billion 5.2. 14 billion is 9 GB. You can see here. I will just zoom in. 32 billion parameters is 20 GB. 70 billion is 43 GB. And 671 billion parameter it is 404 GB. This is too big. And normally, the bigger the size of the LLM model, bigger the size of the this billions, the model size is bigger, the more accurate and the more powerful the model is it can handle the complicated task and it gives you accurate results. But these things this needs a lot more powerful system setup requirement. Currently my laptop is i7 13 generation. It is RTX 5050 NVIDIA graphics card with 8 GB of graphics card, and it is Lenovo LOQ. It is one of the fastest laptop in the world, and the cost of this laptop is 1,20,000. You can get it at 1,09,000 after discount and all. So I have downloaded this I have downloaded this 7 billion parameters. Once your local host download is completed, I will show you the downloads. Yes, where it is. Ollama, Ollama run local. Mm, yes, you have to download Docker also and Ollama also. So you can see here. I have downloaded this Ollama. After that, I have downloaded this Docker. Docker is not necessary, but I want to show you the importance of Docker here. After that, once you download it, just open your terminal CMD, and here you have to type Ollama hyphen version. Okay, it will give you the version of Ollama, and after that you have to run this command Ollama run DeepSeek R1. It will download your DeepSeek R1. I have already downloaded it. So if you paste it here and enter, then entire DeepSeek R1 model will get downloaded. This is very big, means you can see, I will show you DeepSeek R1 latest 5.2 GB. So to download 5.2 GB file, it takes some time, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. If your laptop is not that fast, then it may take hours. Also, it depends on your internet connectivity, the speed. And once you download it, I will just show you as I have already downloaded it. So I think it will complete, or if it is not downloaded, then it will start downloading. Yes, it is already downloaded. So it is asking me to type the message. I will just zoom it. I will show you the magic. Write a mail to my boss for leave. There may be some grammatical mistake or spelling mistake. As like what we just what I have write here, I will just copy here, and this is our original DeepSeek. Means this is actual DeepSeek. Okay, so if I paste it here and click here, currently my internet is on. You can see my Wi-Fi is on, so that's why it is working. So, dear my boss name, I hope this mail finds you well, and I need a leave from this date to that date, and so on, and that's it. Okay, this is our ChatGPT. This is our DeepSeek response, which is means my internet is on right now. Okay, if I turn off this internet now, I don't have internet access, and if I where is my DeepSeek? Okay, if I see my internet is not present, and if I just paste it, write a mail to my boss for leave, and I click here, then it will say check network and retry. Now here I have downloaded my DeepSeek R1, right? And you can again see I have no internet access, no internet access is present. Okay, and if I hit enter over here, then you can see without internet my DeepSeek is running. Without internet my LLM is running. My ChatGPT is running. You can say ChatGPT is similar like LLM. This is his thinking process, and here it has subject leave request. I am writing request to leave from start date to end date, and thanks. Also option 2, option 3, it is acting similar like your ChatGPT or your DeepSeek. I can ask him follow-up questions also. Make above short text. Hit enter. It will give you a short mail. That's amazing. We are running our LLM without internet. No internet is present here and it is running. That is the magic. Means full data privacy. Your data is present in your laptop. You are not sending your data to your LLM, your cloud or anything. You means some people are telling like if you use RAG, then your data privacy will be remain and so on. But this is not the case. Even if you use RAG or NL2 SQL, NL2 Excel, then also your queries, whatever you are asking questions and whatever you are getting answers, that question answer data set will be gone to your LLM, whatever you are using its API keys. It may be ChatGPT, Claude, or anything. Or also in RAG, you are passing chunks to LLM, and get the answer by reading all these chunks. So you are passing chunks means you are passing some data to the LLM, na, to cloud. Na. So that is also data privacy breach. That is also means I'm not telling 100% data privacy. If you are uploading entire PDF file, your entire data set to ChatGPT and asking him question, then it is like you are sending your entire data to ChatGPT. That is a 100% data leakage. In RAG, it is not 100%. It may be 1%, 0.1%, 10%, 15%, 50%, but there is a data leakage. But if you are using this local LLM, then 0% data is going outside your laptop or your system because you are running it without using internet. No, that's why. So that is very important. One thing I want to tell you, okay, remaining theory I will tell you later. So this is, but this is in CMD. Nobody likes to run it in CMD. So once you downloaded your Ollama, once you downloaded your DeepSeek R1, anything you can download here. Just okay, I have to open this internet. Mm, okay, I have connected. I will reload it. DeepSeek R1 is just copy it and paste it in your uh, CMD. Now, if you want to exit, first of all, see these uh, commands. You have to write down by/by to exit. Okay, to set, to show, to clear everything. These are the shortcuts. I want to exit, so I will say him by. It will be outside the Ollama right now. Now here you have to paste and hit enter. If you want to download this DeepSeek R1 8 billion. 8 billion means how many? 8 billion. I think it is 5.2 GB. Ah, yes, 8 billion means 5.2 GB big size is there. Big file size is there. You have to download it, and once you download, simply it will tell you to just one second. Here we have downloaded it, and after that it will ask you question to write anything. Right now, if you open this Ollama, this is Ollama. Once you download it, downloaded it, it will be open like it, and you have to pin it onto your taskbar. You can see there are so many models present. GPT OSS. This is from OpenAI, ChatGPT's colleagues or ChatGPT's siblings. This is DeepSeek 671 billion parameter cloud. You can imagine it's more than 400 GB. The file size is there. Means currently I am using 8 GB graphics card. Then I am able to download the DeepSeek. Uh, which model? DeepSeek R1 7 billion parameter LLM model I am able to download. Also, I was doing some experiments and I downloaded this DeepSeek R1 also. You can use these commands or you can simply click here. Then also download will happen when or Gamma, any kind of model. Uh, these models. So I download this second model and my laptop get crashed. My camera got disabled. I have to spend nearly 6 hours in repairing all these stuff. So I have to take help of Windows, Microsoft support system. The person sitting in Poland is accessing my laptop remotely and he is doing some changes. This kind of things happen after downloading these two big files, means almost 9 GB data files I have downloaded and these LLM models, and I tried to run it on my laptop locally, and my laptop got crashed. I don't know the reason behind the laptop crash. It may be previously I update my Windows and I update my drivers, update everything and clear and clean all the things, and suddenly my camera got disabled, but now it is working well. That's why I am recording the video. But this kind of things may happen. So you have to be cautious. And if you are dreaming of downloading this powerful 671 billion DeepSeek, which is more than 400 GB big file size, then your system should be quite big. And even if you download this, then also your performance will be very much lower than this actual DeepSeek. This is actual DeepSeek uh, because they have their big servers, means they have billions of dollars of investment. So of course they will have a big setup, not PC setup, but a lot of graphics cards are there, H100 and so on. This kind of NVIDIA powerful graphics card are there. That's why they are very, very powerful, and millions of people can run their DeepSeek at the same time in their laptop by using their cloud connections. Okay, but if you are a more data privacy concerned person, then you can think of this downloading local LLMs into your system, and you can run it without internet. You will have your full data privacy. Okay, so I will just go here. DeepSeek R1 7 billion. Now it is a my. I will just turn off my internet. You can see I have turned off my internet. No any LAN connection is also there. Nothing is there. No internet access. No connection available. Okay, here also write a mail um, to my boss named Ramesh for leave. Hit enter. It will generate. This is Ollama. This is not DeepSeek, and this is DeepSeek R1 7 billion. This is a LLM model which I have downloaded, and no internet connection is there till it is running. It took nearly 6.8 seconds to think, but in your actual original DeepSeek, it will take less than 2 seconds because it is very powerful. I hope this message finds you well during my absence and so on. So this is the main, and best regards this. And dear Ramesh is also present because I have write down Ramesh name. So you can see this practical. Also, if you don't want Ollama to be here, then also you can do. You have to download a Docker first. Go to Docker, this Docker website, or Docker download. Okay, I have to turn on the internet first. Oof. Internet, no internet, no. Okay, internet is connected. Download for Windows 11. Okay, install Docker. This you have to download this Docker, accept all cookies and so on, and then you have to go on this website docs.openwebui. If you want to see a nice web UI, your DeepSeek UI, then you have to go here. You will see quick start. Just copy paste this web link, and you will see the web UI. You have to go to, just 1 second. Um, there is NVIDIA. If you have NVIDIA graphics card, yes, here. If you have NVIDIA graphics card, of course you should have NVIDIA graphics card. If you are AI engineer, if you are data scientist, if you are Python developer, then you should have NVIDIA graphics card. At least 2 GB, 4 GB graphics card should be there. Otherwise, your system will crash if you are working on something big. This is also a big project. You are downloading your LLM model into your system. So this is also a very big project. So if you have NVIDIA, then run this code. If you don't have NVIDIA, then you have to run this code on your AMD. Just copy it. But after your Docker installation, Docker, you should have to download your Docker, then whatever sign in, sign up you have to do, and just copy it and run it into your CMD. Okay. I will just copy it, NVIDIA, and paste it over here. It will download that OpenWebUI, and after that, your Docker will be running like this. Okay, so you can see the actions here, start and stop. If you want to stop, you can stop here. If you want to run here. This link will appear. You just have to go here. This link will appear. DeepSeek R1 latest. Mm, just turn off your internet. I have turned it off. Mm, 1 second. What happens? Okay, this is local host. Huh? I will just turn off. I have clicked somewhere else. Okay, this is local host. My internet is off, and I am writing here the code. Write a calculator code in Python language. Hit enter. My internet is off, but it will give me a Python code for calculator. It may take some time because of my system power, my laptop power, my graphics card, and so on. Or it may crash. I don't know because it is local LLM. It is downloaded in my laptop, but I have total data privacy. Okay. The same I will. Okay. Thought for 16 seconds. Okay. Let's transform the clutter into treasure here. Okay. I think it is running. Thinking. What it is thinking. This is it is okay. I need to write down Python code. Everything is offline. This is the magic of Ollama. Phew. Maybe the accuracy is also big concern. You can't compete the accuracy of local LLM with the actual LLM, but you are running your LLM without internet. That is a good thing. Okay, we'll see. Mm. So it is thinking for too long. You can see. Okay. So it has write down me this code while true and so on. You can run it on your computer. It may be running or it may give you some error, but it give me error without any internet access. Okay, that's the magic. That's the power. So this is like DeepSeek web interface. It is not necessary. Means if you are able to run it on your Docker, then it's fine. If you are not able to running it, see currently Ollama and DeepSeek both are running into my software, into my laptop. If you are not able to run it on your local system, then it's also fine. You can run it on Ollama also, Ollama software also because there are so many LLM models here in the drop down list. You can open anyone. Like I have another also DeepSeek R1. And now I will show you another thing that how to integrate this DeepSeek R1 with your Python code. Means you are making some AI applications and you are integrating your OpenAI API keys into your AI application and make a AI tool, right? So how to make a AI tool using your local LLM, which is downloaded in your system and you are running it without internet. So free of cost, if you want to make some kind of AI tool free of cost, then how can you make it? So I will show you. See, this is my app.py and this is a requirement.txt. So here is the app.py requirement.txt, and in every video I show you how to create this virtual environment and all. My the name of my virtual environment is Ollama env. Okay, and this is 8 line of code only. Import Ollama. Aha, yes. First of all, you have to install Ollama. This only thing you have to install. Other things are inbuilt present in your system. I have installed this UV additional, so but it's fine. Ollama you have to install after installation of Ollama. Okay, and all this line of code I will upload in my GitHub repository. This looks very small code, but it is solving a very big real world problem. Okay, 8 lines of code is there, but it is solving a very big problem. You might be getting it. Currently, I am out of internet, no internet access. Wi-Fi is off, no line connection. And simple prompt Ollama chat model is DeepSeek R1 7 million, which is we have downloaded it. Message role user content, write a mail to your boss for leave. Okay, print response messages. Okay, now let's run this code python app.py. You will see the mail it is writing. I will just make it bigger and hit enter. My internet is off, no internet access is there. So it will take some time, but okay, we will wait. And yes, I hope you are doing well and so on. So you can see my internet is off and it has generated me this mail, dear boss name, and I hope this message finds you well and so on. And so on. This is also please no okay. This is a response. You can't write down follow-up question because this is a application. I will just change it. We can see boss named Mahesh. Mahesh. Okay, and here I will just run this code again. You can see no internet is there, but it will run. It may take some time, but it will run and it will give you the name of the boss, Mahesh. Okay, it has generated. Dear boss, Monday, January, please find this mail find you. Okay, I think. Okay, I forgot to save this app.py. You can see white. What is it? Okay, I will save it. And again I will run it over here. You can see internet is not on. You can see no internet connection. I hit enter and you will see the name of my boss. Okay, it has generated. Dear Mahesh, I hope this mail finds you well and please approve me the week starting from this date to this date. Uh, and that's the magic. We have completed our local LLM setup in our system and also how to integrate this LLM into your Python code. We have also seen this. So this is our big achievement. Now we will see some enterprise use cases and monetization. Your target industries, if you are going to sell this application, then your target industries will be healthcare, legal, finances, government, manufacturing. Healthcare, the use cases are patient records, diagnosis assist are there. So you can give them consulting potential like $10,000 to $50,000. HIPAA setup is there. Legal means lawyers and all. Contract analysis, researching. If they want to use AI without data leakage, then you can charge them $5,000 to $20,000. Finances, banking, and so on. Use cases are risk analysis, fraud detection. You can charge them $15,000 too. $100,000. Also, government organizations like NASA, ISRO, DRDO, they have classified data processing. You can charge them $20,000 to $200,000. Then comes manufacturing, their R&D, trade secrets, business secrets. You can charge them $10,000 to $50,000. There is a see what is the initial raw investment is there. Basic setup is there. Install Ollama and train the staff. Uh, this kind of services also you can provide them. How to install Ollama, you can see within means there is a very short period of time. You can charge them $2,000 to $5,000. Enterprise deployment is there. Then server setup will require web UI, security is there. 10,000 to 25,000 you can charge them. Custom rack system is there. If you are providing then your document question and answer on company data, then you can charge them $15,000 to $40,000. Maintenance contracts are there, then monthly support of $500 to $2,000 per month is there. If you are providing training workshops to them, then you can take a half day to 2 day session for $3,000 to $15,000. And why clients pay premium? Because they have regulatory compliances, GDPR, HIPAA, SOC 2. If you breach their rules, then the concerned person may file an FIR against you, and you will have $1 million suit. You may be bankrupt because of this data privacy issue. That's why they will pay you a larger amount. Zero data leakage guarantees there. No ongoing API cost will be there. There will be only one-time investment, complete control over your AI behavior, works in air-gapped environment. So that's it. And that's it. You have now a fully functional AI assistant running in your completely on your local machine. No internet, no cloud, no monthly fees are there. Your data stays yours. This isn't just a cool project. It's a genuinely valuable skill. As more companies prioritize data privacy and sovereignty, the demand for local AI experts is skyrocketing. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI and privacy focused content. Drop a comment telling me what you will use local LLMs for your healthcare, legal, personal projects, or whatever else. Thank you for watching. Stay private, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.